Okay, number 1, because these two chords are congruent, that means these two arcs are also congruent. So the value of x is going to be 79. Number 3, because these two arcs are congruent, that makes the chords that form them congruent. So 2x minus 12 will equal 36. Adding 12 to both sides, I get 2x equals 48. And dividing both sides by 2, I get x is 24. Okay, number 5. I have two congruent chords. So this chord is x, or this arc is x, that makes this arc also x. And the sum of all the arcs in a circle is 360. I've already used 114 here. So 360 minus 114 is 246. So that means these two arcs have a sum of 246. So I have to split that 246 up between the two arcs evenly. So I get x is 123. Okay, number 7, we're first going to start by labeling the diagram. We have radius is 34, so what I'm going to do, just because this is a very typical problem, the radius is 34. Remember, you can draw a radius from a center point to an end point at any point in the circle. So that also makes a right triangle here. So the radius is 34. AB is 60. Well, remember, if a radius is perpendicular to a chord, that it bisects the chord. So while AB is 60, each of these is 30. And the measure of arc AC is 71. Okay, so let's see. The first, number 7, measure of arc BC. Well, if this radius is perpendicular to this chord, then these two arcs are going to be congruent because these two parts of the chords are congruent. So arc BC would be 71 degrees. Number 11 is looking for YD. So it's looking for one missing side of a right triangle that was formed. So as you can see, we have YD is what we're looking for. This was 30 from A to D, and AY is 34. So Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus 30 squared equals 34 squared. 30 squared is 900. And 34 squared is 1156. So subtract 900 from both sides. Gives me x squared equals 256. And the square root of 256 is 16. So YD is 16. Okay, number 13. In circle U, VW is 20. So right here we've got two equidistant radii. So VW is 20, that makes each of these 10. And YZ is 5x. YZ is 5x. So really we could have kept this 20 because YZ is this whole thing and WV is this whole thing. So 5x in this case will equal 20. So x would be 4.